Hello and welcome to another glorious day as we celebrate the year of the beast. And today we are checking in at a food producer here in Cape Town. And I'm looking at the site at 5:45 in the evening. They're still producing 70 kilowatts of beautiful, glorious solar power. But what I'm checking in from Fox here is that everything that we need to parallel the system is in the box. So if we have a look here at the site, we can see that there are 4 inverters on the site with a staggering 900 plus kilowatt hours of storage and generator integration, all included with only 3 part numbers from Fox. So glorious to see how everything from Fox is in the box. So thank you to our partners for making the Year of the Beast such an incredible success. And let's go, Fox!